push that piece back. Pull this piece out. Now this transmission pump rod, sometimes it'll come out and actually you're going to have a hard time getting your pump off. So sometimes you have to do is reach back behind it and push that rod back in. This one here seems to be in there pretty good. But you'll see it'll come out as you're trying to get your pump off. So for the time, if you don't have a problem, just leave it in there. Pull this piece out. Set it down. We're going to go ahead and pull this piece out. Set it there. If you're going to see this piece, bearing's going to be on the back. So technically, this came out first. These need to go in before that. Hope you can understand that. Got another clip right here. But we're going to take off the brake band first. Set it down. And we're going to take this clip out. Like that. Set it down. Here comes your one-way clutch. Sometimes you have to spin this to get it to come out easier. Spin the center section here. Like that. Remember, these lines face out. We're going to put some scribbles on here to make sure that we know that that comes out, but watching the video you should have screwed up. Set that there.
Go.
Then we pull out the retainer for the one-way clutch, and we set it down. And we're going to take out the snap ring here that holds this piece in. Set it down. Pull out this center section. Like that. Set it down. We're going to pull out this piece here. Set it down. Just a little bit farther. We're almost there. We got another clip. Pop it out. Like that. You set it down. We pull out this ring gear. And we set it down. Oops. And lo and behold, the all happy third and fourth gear clutch pack pops out. Just like so. We're going to go ahead and check this one. Just to do it. Do it once again. Pull this clip off. Actually, we're going to do it over here because it's a little cleaner over here. Better light. Set that down. Dump your clutch pack out. like that. You're going to inspect the clutch plates. You can see these ones here are really shot. Not as bad as the other one in the other video, but pretty bad. Real toasty. Not good. So we're going to set those there. Back to the old clutch plates again. You'll notice there's going to be two different types. There's going to be a skinny one, and there's going to be one fat one. Skinny goes in first, and then a clutch disc, and a skinny, clutch disc, skinny, clutch disc, skinny, clutch disc, skinny, clutch disc, and fat. Put your snap ring back on, like so, and reverse the process we just went over. That's pretty good. Okay, take that clutch pack, you just throw it in the back of the transmission, keep spinning it until it locks in. Then you reverse the process. This piece goes in. You slap that in there like so. Next piece goes in. Snap ring. Not that big of a deal. So, goes your outer ring. Just kind of twist and put this in, like that. Next piece. Just keep spinning it until it goes in. Clip. Alright, once you got that clip in, put your little wavy disc in we talked about. And goes your one-way clutch. Remember the line's facing out, because you can put it in backwards. Remember I was talking about before, you have to spin this as you push on the clutch, the one-way clutch. Oops. And sometimes this thing can take you a few minutes to get in. There we go, it's in there.